Hey everybody, it's Mindy and I have a box, kind of a box. Anyhow, I think I know who this is from. I think it's my long-awaited Willowing painting from Diamond Painting Factory, UK. Let's see if I'm right. Okay, so the box, we can get it out, is attached to the trash bag. Okay. All right, and it took a little beating. It's more of a triangle than a box, but as long as the painting's good, we're okay. Woo, this did take a beating, didn't it? Now, my first, if this is what it is, my first painting from Diamond Painting Factory UK was double-sided adhesive. Yes, I have one. I could show you. It's a horse on the sunset running on the beach. Sorry, let me choke. And then when Jen and Krafts said they were going to do this, and this is what they were going to do for their collab, and people started saying that it was poured glue, I was like, say what? Okay, so I had to get one. Of course, I've clearly missed the collab. I mean, I don't know. Maybe not. But anyhow, so it's finally here. It's a 40 by 50. Look, has my name on it. Yep, 40 by 50, Mindy Dipple. And it's a round. They had some issues. I understand that. Some things happened. This is an interesting bag. Look, it doesn't open on the end. It's opening all the way across like this. Oh, hang on. Okay, you see right here, where on this sticker right here, it says Mindy Dipple. There's another name over here. This is what they were talking about. People got different names on their paintings. I don't know, something weird happened. So you clearly see my name's right there, right? Clearly, it's right there. But on the painting, I think your name is usually on the painting too. I'm Abigail Tomlinson. Well, Abigail, hope you like my painting. I don't know if you have mine, I have yours or what, but anyhow. Okay, so Willowing. This is poured glue. I'm going to roll it backwards so that I can lay it flat, get the drills out, all that stuff. She's a pretty interesting person. They interviewed her, had her on a live or something, and did a little interview, and it was kind of interesting. She's kind of a cool person. I did sign up for one of her art classes. She had an art class she was letting people sign up for free, and I signed up for one. I don't know how to do it or anything yet, but we'll get to that sometime. All right, so this canvas is kind of nice. I like this canvas. It's not real stiff. It's not a soft back canvas, but it's much more pliable. I like that about this canvas. The stiff ones really kind of bother me. I don't know why, they just do. diamondpaintingfactory.co.uk. Just don't go to Diamond Painting Factory. That's a whole different place. Rachel Ray tried that first, and she got, it was like one of the budget sites. No, you have to go to the UK one. Okay, so this is what I got. Of course I got purples, right? Purples and pinks. Okay, it is poured glue, you guys. But yet I think some of their stuff is still double-sided adhesive, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, it's good and sticky. All right. Isn't she cute? There was a whole thing about the animals she draws, lots of bears, the owls, some animals she doesn't really do, and the gems and what that's about on their faces, their foreheads, wherever they're at. And that was just, I guess it's just I have little drills everywhere over here, I just noticed. I hope that does not mean there is like a broken bag or something, because there's like 5 drills right there. Okay. And there's more in the bag. Oh, geez. Okay. Oh, here's more. Okay. Maybe we got a broken bag. I'm going to put them over there and I'm never going to find them again, right? It's actually like 2 colors. There's a pinkish rose color and a purple. I don't know. We'll get into the drills in a minute. We'll find out. Anyhow, isn't she pretty though? So here's the DMC codes here. Has 26 colors, Clearly it's going to be a lot of pinks and purples, and the thumbnail is down there. She's super cute. Super cute. It looks like they have, I was going to say all black lettering, but that's not true. There's some white lettering over here for the symbols. Okay, really? Come on. Work with me. Work with me. See, right here, these darks right here, they have some white lettering. There's some white lettering. So there are some symbols that have lighter white symbols and some have black. Can you say like just confetti? I think it's just confetti, right? I mean, okay, right here. Maybe not right there. I don't know. Anyhow, she's very pretty. I love her little owl. I mean, this was perfect for me, right? Purple, pink. There's always hearts in her paintings, apparently. The owl in the tree, you know, butterfly in her hair. Me and my owls, you know, I have the owls out back. She's very pretty. Very pretty. Okay, let's see what's going on with these drills. Oh, yeah. We definitely have a broken bag of drills here. Somewhere, somehow, look, there they are. Okay. Okay. Yeah, they're going everywhere. Let's see. Let's see what we can do here. Let's get this tray, because they're kind of like all over. They're in the bottom of the bag over there, and they're in this bag. So clearly something has gone awry. We have, and I think, like I said, I think it's more than one color. It looks like it's a brownish pink and a purple. Oh, I guess, you know, you come in a squish box like that, maybe something gets, you know, tangled up in the mix. I don't know. But they're just kind of all over the place here. So I'm going to carefully open this. And those are all inside that part. Okay. Maybe if I carefully kind of try to dump them into the bottom of this bag like this, like shake them into the bottom. Yeah, maybe that'll work. All right, so you see how they come, right? They're in the little packets like this. Not my favorite way to get drills. And a lot of people are moving away from this, but it works. You just have to open a lot of little bags. So we have teals. I want to get those drills out, so I'm going to try to take these all out. I mean, they're nice and flat. And look, I like that they're all hooked together. Okay, so each color is like hooked together. Like there's two of those and two of those. You don't have a bunch of tiny, tiny little bags. All right. Then you have like a big long strip. See, that's a brown. Here's a purple. Here's what looks like, no, maybe not. That's one of the colors that kind of, look at this, then you get one of these. I always love it when you just get different random things. I don't know. Don't know why that happens, but it does. Okay, oh yeah, we definitely have, okay, we're gonna end up with a bunch of drills in the bottom of this bag, and I still don't know which one it is or which color. But lots of purples. I think I'm managing to leave them all in the bag. That's a whole big strip of those. Can you even see what I'm showing you? Pinks, purples. Here's another drill here. Come on, stay in the bag. I'm just gonna try to leave them all in the bag. I think it's this strip right there. So we're gonna leave that one in there and take these out. See if that's our culprit. Okay. No. Like I said, it is two colors. It's two colors. There's just, see, it's definitely a brownish pink and then a purple. So I really think it's this color right here is, yeah, okay, right here, see? Right there, that's one of our culprits right there. That is clearly open, and that's in this bag. And then there's like a brownish, like this color here. Is this one open somewhere? Yeah, right here. Okay, there's my two culprits, right here and right here. So I have two colors that are like sliced open here, and they have escapees in my bag. Okay, so I'm gonna put those aside. I'm gonna get some little baggies. This kit doesn't come with baggies, but I'll get some little baggies, and I guess I have to sort drills. Yeah, because there's all of these. All right, and they are definitely two different colors. So there we go. Okay, well, that's always fun. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but it just means I've got some work to do to sort these out and get these put into baggies. Okay, there we go. We found the culprits. So now, oops, here's another brown one right here. The brownish pink right there. So, okay, that's always fun. Oh man, look it. Here comes the purple ones. Holy cow, you guys are everywhere. Here's more. Well, you know, what do we do? Clean up the mess, right? Fix it. We fix it. What else can you do but fix it? All right, let's get these over here in this tray. I hope that's the only two bags that I'm finding. I hope there's not more. So, all right. Can you see the colors anyhow? There's another drill. Can you see the colors? Maybe I'll just zoom you in on the colors. And remember, there's a couple that aren't in there. Anyhow, it's pretty. Now that they're almost done with their collab, I probably won't even, try starting this right now, but I'm happy it's poured glue. Not happy with the condition it came in. Really not happy that it's got drills everywhere, but here we go. That's what I got, you guys. That's what I got. Okay. That's all I got to say. I mean, it is what it is. You see it, right? So I'm going to go now because I've got other things to do, and I'm going to try to sort these drills out and get them into some baggies so that we don't have more of a mess. Okay. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe. Come back. See me again. There's always something crazy going on. All right. I will talk to you guys later.